Looking for a reliable way to keep your phone or GPS device within easy reach while driving? The Grip-It Universal Holder offers a stable, secure mounting solution that fits right onto your vehicle's air vent, no tools required. It's designed to hold your portable mobile electronics safely, so you can focus on the road ahead without fumbling for your device. What sets the Grip-It apart is its versatile fit and smart design. It works with most horizontal air vent louvers and adjusts to fit devices from 1.5 up to 4.5 wide. Whether you're using a smartphone or a smaller GPS unit, the adjustable arms and legs won't block your device's controls, giving you full access at all times. Plus, it rotates a full 360 degrees, so you can switch between portrait and landscape views effortlessly. Durability matters, especially in a car where things get bumped around. Made from tough ABS plastic, this holder stands up to daily wear and tear. The spring-loaded locking mechanism ensures your device stays put, even on bumpy roads. Installation is a breeze. Just clip it onto your air conditioning or heating vent, and you're set. No screws, no hassle. I've tested this holder in a 2010 Toyota RAV4 with a Samsung Focus, and it's been a game changer. The vent mount grips firmly with two adjustable spring-loaded hooks on top and a pivoting support at the bottom to keep everything steady. The cradle is padded and adjusts snugly around the device, preventing any slipping or shaking while driving. What's more, the cradle connects to the base via a ball joint with a tightening ring, allowing precise positioning. You can tilt, pivot, or rotate your device to the perfect angle for easy viewing. The simple ratchet system firmly holds your phone or GPS in place, so you don't have to worry about it shifting during your drive. If you're tired of juggling your phone while navigating or taking calls, the Grip-It Universal Holder is worth a look. It combines practical design with solid construction, giving you a secure, accessible way to mount your mobile devices in the car. Plus, it comes with a 1-year warranty, adding peace of mind to your purchase. Ready to upgrade your driving experience? The Grip-It holder makes it easy to keep your device visible and secure without clutter or complicated setup. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or running errands, it's a smart addition to any vehicle. Try it when you're ready and enjoy hands-free convenience every time you hit the road.